The AI models you use in popular tools like ChatGPT and Claude are closed source. You can't run them on your own hardware, they only live on company servers. But luckily, these models aren't the only option. Many AI labs offer open models that are free to download, run on your own hardware, and build upon. They often do this for the same reasons that companies offer things like free web browsers. The free models spread quickly and they can make money on the ecosystem that develops around them. These are the models that you'll be using when you're running your local AI system. So, where do you find these models? The first place is Ollama. Ollama offers a nice and neatly organized directory of open source models, and they also offer a free model runner that you can use to run these models on your computer. Ollama is the easy button for local AI, and that's what we'll be using in this course. The second is Hugging Face. Hugging Face is the largest model repository in the world with over 1 million entries. There's a lot more to sort through here, and not all these models are designed to run locally. So start with Ollama and get the basics down, and then you can graduate to Hugging Face. Head to ollama.com and click the models link in the upper left-hand corner. By default, you'll see some of the most popular models, and popular is a good place to start. Each model has capability tags that tell you what it's designed to do. Thinking means the model spends more time reasoning through problems, which is useful for brainstorming, analysis, and decision making. Tools means the models can work with external tools such as web search. Vision means the model can understand images like screenshots and photos. And embedding models are for things like search and databases. You can ignore those for now. Each model also lists its available sizes, and you already know how to read those numbers from the last lesson. Smaller models, around 1 billion to 4 billion parameters, run on a lot of everyday computers. Larger models need more memory and more powerful hardware. If you're not sure what your computer can handle, use the free local AI checker linked in the description. So, which model should you start with? Google's Gemma family of models is a great place to begin. The Gemma 4 E4B model is designed to run well on everyday computers while still being surprisingly capable. The E in the name indicates an efficient version. With these models, pay attention to the listed download size instead of the number in the name. Remember the rough rule from the last lesson. Take the model size, multiply it by 3/4, and add about 1 gigabyte. That's roughly how much memory you'll need. If you're tight on memory, you can choose the smaller E2B version instead. And if you're working with a truly modest computer, even a small 1 billion parameter model can still give you the full local AI experience. And nothing here is permanent. If you don't like a model, it's easy to delete it and try another. That's one of the great things about local AI. Once you've picked a model, click on it. Its model page shows you what the model is, the sizes available, and most importantly, the exact command to run it. Copy it with the copy button right there on the page. And one last concept while we're here, the context window. A model's context window is basically how much information it can keep in mind at one time. Bigger means longer conversations and larger documents without losing track of what came earlier. We'll talk more about that in lesson 5. For now, all you need is your command. So model picked and command copied, but don't run it yet. The next lesson is the lesson this whole course has been building towards. You're going to run your own AI model on your own computer, and once it's downloaded, you won't even need an internet connection to run it. I'll see you there.